use of deadly force was justified to put an end to that immediate danger. Therefore, I conclude that criminal charges are not warranted. I consider this investigation to be closed.
Woodbury County Attorney James Loomis says that the investigation into an officer-involved shooting back in February that killed one person is closed. The findings were announced during a joint press conference today with the County Attorney's Office and Sioux City Police. Good evening and thanks for joining us on a Friday. I'm Tim Seaman. The Iowa Department of Criminal Investigation and the Iowa Attorney General's Office both releasing reports today announcing that officer-involved shooting here in Sioux City, leaving a whole man dead, was justified. The details in our top story tonight at 6 o'clock. That incident in question involved an early morning traffic stop on February 22nd. Two officers spotted a vehicle with a known criminal history with a non-working license plate light. Officers pulled that car over and approached the vehicle. According to the investigation, a woman driving the car cooperated with officers. The passenger, later described as Vicente Manzo Hernandez, was asked to give his name but refused. After determining Hernandez had an active warrant for failing to appear in court, officers again asked him to get outside of the vehicle, but again he refused. The Iowa DCI report states one of the officers ordered both people in the car to exit, while the other deflated the car's tires, fearing the pair might flee. The driver got out and Hernandez attempted to get into the driver's seat, ignoring orders to stop. A struggle ensued between an officer and Hernandez, who managed to gain control of the gas pedal with the officer's leg trapped inside.
At this point, it is clear that Mr. Hernandez was in control of how fast the car would be going, but nobody was in control of which direction it would go. This officer was in serious danger. The officer fired 2 shots with his firearm to incapacitate Mr. Hernandez and get the car stopped.
Shots fired, shots fired.
The investigation revealed both officers administered first aid and called for medical help. Hernandez was taken to a local hospital where he died from his injuries. An autopsy later confirmed Hernandez had drugs in his bloodstream at the time of his death. Sioux City Police Chief Rex Mueller describing the jobs that anyone in law enforcement has as challenging.
Every time an officer steps up to a car or knocks on a door, they are facing someone who may have the intent to kill them or place them in harm's way, and I can't highlight enough how challenging that can be.
Now, the driver of that vehicle is not facing any charges related to the incident. Mueller says that the names of the officers in that case are not being identified, and both have now returned to duty.